This one just looks weird because it's in an eyedropper, but I promise it's hot sauce. Hi guys, I'm Shay Mitchell, and today I'm going to spill it. I pretty much have everything in here that I could survive with for about a week, so I'm good to go. I brought this bag today because I just got out of the airport, came straight here to see you guys, and also this is my everyday bag. I do a lot of different things, from working out to going to different meetings, and this really carries it all. This bag correlates with my style because I created it. It's one of my Beis products that I have, which is a new travel line that I started. And honestly, from every single detail on the bag is something that I've chosen. So it is very much me. And of course, I don't just travel with one bag. I travel with two. This one carries my snacks. The most important thing to have in a bag is another bag. This is basically my InFlight Organizer, or your mini cosmetic bag, whatever you want to call it. And this is really so that when I get onto the plane, when you have to put your big bag up, because I unfortunately can't have this sitting next to me, all I need for that duration of the flight is in this guy. And I marked it. So when I have my little takeoff, this is a little let's go right here. And it's all of my essentials to make sure that I have a really comfy flight, such as this little Japanese eye mask that I got. It heats up and it's the most soothing thing. So the flights that I'm normally doing are 13 to 18 hour flights. You really want this guy. It helps you get that good sleep. I have my hot mess wipes because I do not sit in a seat before I wipe down the entire thing. The tray, the bacteria on the little fan button, every single thing around you on a plane is disgusting. So make sure to wipe it down with these hot mess wipes. We have toothpaste, we have earplugs, the whole thing. So this is just to make sure that I have a comfy flight. And then when I land, that is we're here. And I pull this guy up, put a little handy dandy mirror in here, so you could just set that up. Do your makeup while you land, before, after. Then, of course, I have another bag, which is my purse, and oh, more hot sauce in an eyedropper. I hope nobody ever takes this out and thinks that it has anything to do with eyes, because you will be very sorry. More food. These are just wasabi and soy sauce. Another spicy. Anything that can be spicy, I will have. Chips, candy, ice cream. I don't care. I love it. It needs to have a little kick, so I find it. Okay, next thing, more snacks. These are my maple jalapeno pecans. And I'm Canadian, for those of you who don't know, so maple is very important in our diet. I also clearly like hot sauce, so the jalapeno gives it a real nice kick. What else? Oh, cards, because I'm crazy good at crazy eights, and anybody that thinks that they can beat me, well, I have cards on hand to actually prove that. So crazy eights, anybody, because I will win. These are my cards. Sriracha, hot sauce, Hennessy. You know, sometimes days are a little bit harder than the other ones, so. Phone, charger, of course, it's plugged in because my phone is always dead. But my biggest fear in life, one of them is having a dead phone with no extra battery charger. So I travel with two of them. This one's Shay 2. I have Shay 1, 2, 3, and 4, so I know where they all are. OCD much? Just a little bit. Oh yeah, this guy. Because when you're on a plane, you don't want to get sick. So I actually just do this, and it's kind of cute too, right? So this is me on the plane. Hey. So that is what is in my one bag. My next bag, well, a little slightly heavier. What we have in here is my snack jail. I have some truffle chips in here that are very hard to find. I had to order those on a really specific site. Mac and cheese, because this is the thing. In my house, people come in, they make stuff, and that's all fine and dandy, but the one time that I want something, it's eaten. So now I can just make sure that it's all in here, perfect unicorn cookies, chocolates, chips, everything. All right here. I mean, to some people, they think this was a little extra, but honestly, it's security. It's just so that no one tries to steal any of my snacks. And I actually had somebody break into the code recently, so now I just bring it with me everywhere I go. Trust me, I love to share. No. Thank you guys so much for watching. For more videos on Refinery29, be sure to click here, and to subscribe, which you should all definitely do, click here.